Let's say you want to write the equation of this exponential curve. Well, we know that we have this formula here to work with. And based on the picture, they tell us what h and what k are. So let's fill in the values of h and k. So the h was -2, so throw it in there, becomes positive through a double negative. The horizontal asymptote k is -1. Let's go from here. Now, they give us 2 points on the graph, so we can take those 2 points, x's and y's, and plug them in for x and y. So we should get this system of equations here. And then like we did in class the other day, what we can do to the system is we can move these constants to the other side in both equations. The point of this video is to teach you a new technique from here. So it's a system. You can try to use like substitution, but I would recommend a new approach, the idea of division. We can divide the equations together to get a new statement, like this. Set up a fraction equals a fraction. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the equations and all of its information and throw it in the top. And then we'll take the other equation, take its information, and throw it in the bottom. My recommendation to you is like this. Find the b who has a larger positive power, in this case 2. Find the stronger, larger b, and then take all of that row and throw its information up above. So I would take the 83rds, and I would put that up here above. I would take the ab squared, and I would throw that up here above. And then the other equation, that one there, that number would go here, and then the ab -1 would go down there. So let's see what happens. Let's divide this by this, a and a knock out, and then we'll see what's up with the b's. So on a calculator, I get 64 here from this whole left-hand side. Put the equal sign there. These a's reduce away. And now look at these b's. B squared over b -1. The rule is you go top minus bottom power. Remember that properties of exponents? Top minus bottom. 2 minus -1. That double negative becomes positive, so it becomes a power of 3. And then from here, you can take the cube root of both sides, and that reveals to us quickly that b is 4. Once you have b, go back to any other part in the equation to find a. So 4 squared is 16. 16 divided into 83rds would give you back 5/3. Final answer is there, done. But in summary, when you reach this point here, I recommend division, where you take the stronger b in that equation and you throw it up above. The other equation, put it down below, divide the constants, the a's knock out, which is so convenient, subtract the powers of b, and then just do algebra from there. This approach is so much faster than any other approach you could possibly imagine.